Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Game Hub on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on, you will see Gaming Hub is here. If you want to disable Gaming Hub, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, Gaming Hub is disabled. If you want to enable Gaming Hub, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, Gaming Hub is enabled. You will enable or disable Gaming Hub from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Game Hub on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.